Hi, my name is Siva. I am from India and I live in Germany. Today, I am on the way to a beautiful waterfalls in Germany. Come, let's catch the train. That's a double-decker train. Welcome to Germany. I am taking the upper deck. Since there is no direct train to my destination from Stuttgart, we have to change some trains and buses. Finally, we reached this beautiful village in the heart of the Blackforest. This place houses the highest waterfall in Germany. The falls is at 1.5 kilometers walk from the Triberg railway station. Triberg is a very small town and most places of interest are closer to the waterfalls itself. The town has few hotels, restaurants and cafes and some souvenir shops. It also has an interesting and informative Blackforest museum about which I have made a separate video. If you like museums, do check out this video. We are now at the entrance to the waterfalls. If you think this is a spectacular view, I can only say, wait until you see the view from the top of the waterfalls. There is a small entrance fee of 8 euros, which also includes the entrance to Blackforest Museum. They also give a map of the hiking trails along with the ticket. There are 3 hiking trails near the waterfalls, each with different theme. The yellow hiking trail is the shortest and is called the Cascade Trail. It just goes to the top of the waterfalls. The green is a medium one and is called Nature Trail. It goes through the forest region near the waterfalls. The red one is the longest trail and is called the Culture Trail. It goes through a bit of a forest region and then to a lake, a church, and finally reach the Triberg town. We are taking the yellow trail, reach the top of the waterfalls, and come back down via the green trail. Our hiking trail is located just on the sides of the waterfalls, providing wonderful views of the waterfalls in every turns and corners. It seems these tiny squirrels are pretty famous in this region. In the ticket counter, they even sell peanuts to offer to the squirrels. interesting fact about this town is that this is the first town in Germany to have electric streetlights back in 1884 itself, and at that time the electricity produced was much more than necessary. Since the end of 19th century, turbines have been installed both above and below the waterfalls to harness its energy. Now we are in the green trail through the forest. Ensure to bring your boots if you are interested in hiking this region. As I said earlier, this is the highest waterfalls in Germany and it is called a cascade waterfalls due to the multiple level it flows through. Here you can see its cascaded fall clearly. I had a walk through the town's souvenir shops. I can see it is filled with cuckoo clocks, the specialty of this region. You can find cuckoo clocks of all ranges and varieties here. In fact, the world's largest and the world's smallest cuckoo clocks are in this town. Some of the clocks even cost more than my 1 month salary. What better way to end my trip to Blackforest than by tasting the Blackforest cake, or as the Germans say, the Schwarzwald torte, another specialty of this region that has become world famous now. We are prepared to leave the town now. It's time for another series of train journeys. See you in another video. Do subscribe my channel if you liked this video.